When it comes to keeping your salon or studio organized while ensuring everything you need is within arm's reach, the Yaheetech Beauty Rolling Aluminum Tray Cart stands out as an essential piece of equipment. Crafted with a keen eye for both functionality and durability, this utility cart brings a sleek black aesthetic that complements any decor, alongside a sturdy construction that promises long-term service. Constructed from high-quality iron and aluminum, this instrument trolley tray is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use without succumbing to deformation. Its robust build supports a multitude of beauty instruments and supplies, from hairdryers and combs to an array of skincare products, ensuring they're readily accessible whenever you need them. The durability of this cart is a testament to Yaheetech's commitment to quality, ensuring that salon professionals can focus on their craft without worrying about the reliability of their equipment. One of the most commendable features of this cart is its thoughtful design. It comes with an adjustable height feature, ranging from 27.5 to 45 inches, allowing professionals of all heights to use it comfortably. This adjustability also makes it versatile across different settings, whether you're tending to a client in a chair or need it beside a taller styling station. The tray itself measures 18 inches in length and 13 inches in width, offering ample space for various tools and products. Additionally, an extra rack is smartly integrated on one side of the tray, providing convenient storage for tools like hairdryers and combs. This thoughtful addition not only ensures these tools are always within reach but also helps in maximizing the available tabletop space for other essential items. Assembly of the Yaheetech Beauty Rolling Aluminum Tray Cart is straightforward, with all necessary tools, hardware, and detailed instructions included. This means you can have your new utility cart ready for use in no time, allowing you to streamline your workflow and maintain an organized workspace with minimal effort. Ideal for salons, spas, tattoo studios. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.